In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to update your Apple Watch SE software. Press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, open the settings app. In settings app, you have to scroll down and tap on general. In general settings, tap on software update. And here you get all available software updates. So we can see the Watch OS 11.6 is now available. All you have to need to install the update, just tap on install, and it may take some moments to verify the software update here. And before update, make sure the Apple Watch is on its charger and connected to LAN. That's how you will be able to update your Apple Watch from your Apple Watch. Now let's see how to do it from your iPhone. On your iPhone, you have to open the Watch app, and then from My Watch, tap on General. In General, tap on Software Update. And here, all you have to need, just tap on Install, and your Apple Watch will be updated to the latest Watch OS version. Thanks for watching.